Miss Jurisa Armihias, the birthday girl. Yay! Welcome! Nami sa 24th floor. Hi everyone! Welcome! Nami dili sa New Star. Nami sa Philly Hotel. Check-in for the birthday of my sister. Ready na ko no kayo mag-swimming. Isa mag-swimming ito sa kawas. Na ang mong setup din. Mga cake. Tulo kabok yung cake.
We also paid a visit to Senora Santo Niño early in the morning para mag-ampo, magpasalamat for all the blessings na iyang gihatag. And now, naabot na mi diri sa Philly Hotel, so it's check-in time. Let's go!
Hello! Okay, ready na me to check in. We have 3 rooms here in New Star. Let's go! Up, up! Yay! Thank you!
At this time, nagkabisi nami for our photo and video shoot. Everything, tanan-tanan ako kung sa gusto sa among prinsesa. DIY lang good for memories, di ba?
Manilang 4th floor swimming pool. Walay tao. Kaya gipang tugnaw, kaya nag-ulan. O kani, daray.
Cheers!
Naglalaro ng ganda-gandahan.
Get ready with me, guys. That's what